Welcome back YouTube. I hope you're all having a great day. Let's begin our next challenge. Level 7. The goal for this level is to retrieve the password stored in a file called data text next to the word million. Let's head over to the terminal. First, we want to see which files are available to us, so we use the list command. We have our file that we need, we read it, this seems to be a pretty large file. As we saw in level 5, we can search in the output of a command by using the grep command. So our full command will be this. We make use of pipelines to consecutively write commands. And then we want to search for the word million. We just obtained our password. We want to log out by writing logout, exit, or Ctrl-D. We log in to our next level. We successfully logged in. To register our changes, we type the reachal command. Everything is synchronized. Let's head over to the reachal website to verify our completion. We update. Congratulations on completing level 7. You rock! Thank you for watching this video. If you want to show your support, please hit that like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications to keep up to date with our next achievements.